Hey everyone, it's James from FunFoods, and today, as you might notice, I'm not in my kitchen. I'm here at the Sauce Stache Studios, Mark's kitchen. He invited me down, and we made this amazing homemade ranch dipping sauce that we are going to eat with this pizza we made on his channel. This isn't just any pizza, by the way. What is this, Mark?
This is a spaghetti pizza.
Spaghetti crust pizza. Amazing. You have to try it out. As you notice, there's already a couple pieces missing. We couldn't wait. We just couldn't do it. So we had to dig in, and trust me, when I'm done shooting this shot, we're going to dig in some more.
Yeah.
So, but for right now, keep watching, and I'll show you step by step how to make this dipping sauce, and also you can watch us try this out. So for our dipping sauce, the first thing we need to do is we have a small little bowl here, and we're gonna add some sour cream, and it's roughly about a half a cup of sour cream. We're gonna pop that in there. We're also gonna add about a half a cup of mayo. And this is a really simple recipe because, you know, just throw it all in a bowl, mix it up, and it's gonna be ready for us to try shortly.
I'm excited for this. I mean, I love ranch dipping sauce.
So now we have those two things. They're really the thickness part of it. We're gonna add a little bit of milk to this. And how do you say milk? Because I get a lot of milk, like M-E-L-K. A lot of people say stuff about how I say milk. I'm gonna add a little bit of this, not much right now, because we can always add more. Just a touch right now. And let's, what do you say? Tiny whisk?
Together, yeah, tiny whisk. Always gotta use the tiny whisk. Oh,
that's all good.
In the Sauce Stache kitchen.
And we have some onion powder we're gonna add to that.
Perfect.
About a teaspoon or so, half teaspoon. It's up to your really choice of it. Garlic powder, we're also going to add about the same.
Perfect.
Love some garlic. And we are going to be eating this with pizza, so garlic, hello.
Yeah.
Did you see that pizza?
Spaghetti pizza.
That's what we made over on Mark's channel, the Sauce Stache. I will have a link in the description below, as well as one of those cards and one of those little end cards at the end. You have to check it out. Yeah, we are going to try that out in a minute, so you're going to get to see it. But you get to see how to make it, and it's very simple.
Yeah, this thing, it's pretty legit.
Next, we're gonna go with some of this other stuff, which is parsley. Oh yeah, I'm gonna put a little bit more.
Oh, I love the parsley. You can't beat that, especially for a ranch sauce.
Oh yeah,
a ranch pizza sauce
gives that color to that white sauce.
Oh, this is already looking perfect.
And only a drop of lemon juice, really. Oh, oh.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
It brightens it up.
Cool. Brings out that flavor.
Oh yeah.
Oh, looks good. Oh, so what do we say?
Dill.
This is some fresh dill, and I'm gonna let Mark have the honors of that, and I will move over to the tiny whisk job.
That much?
Perfect.
That much? Just chop this guy out. Okay, let's chop this up pretty fine. Okay, I think that's
all right.
good.
Look at that.
Look at that, perfect.
So nice. And that's the final step in our sauce. Once we mix that in.
Do we want to do any salt and pepper?
Oh yeah, I gotta flavor it a little bit. Yeah, definitely needs a little salt.
A little salt?
Yeah.
We got some kosher salt. Let's see. Let's see. That tastes like ranch. I mean, that tastes like a ranch sauce.
What we're going for.
I mean,
homemade ranch sauce.
that is going to be good on the pizza.
With our spaghetti pizza.
I mean, so there's a big difference between like a ranch dressing and like a ranch sauce, like what you're going to put on a pizza.
Yes, so a little different.
So this would be like your restaurant style ranch pizza sauce, which if you don't eat ranch on your pizza,
All right, guys, so now it's all done. We've made our dipping sauce. Mark is going to do the honors of cutting up our spaghetti pizza that we made on his channel. He's going to cut it up, and we're going to dip it right now and try it, so don't go anywhere.
Yeah, this is going to be good. This is going to be good. Let's just do, I'm going to do a regular pizza cut here.
We are going to try this pizza. This is what you've been waiting for. You've already watched this video probably. If you haven't, you have to go check it out. How to make this. You can make your very own spaghetti pizza. Now we're going to try it out, and we're going to tell you how good it is, but you're really not going to know how good it is until you make it for yourself. So be sure to do that. When you go over to Mark's channel, also comment telling you came from James from FunFoods and that you came from my channel, because he's a good guy. He answers his comments, just like me. So yeah,
that's awesome.
Definitely got to do it. So we're going to try this right now. So what do you say? Let's dig in.
Let's dig in. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Here we go. Look at that.
It's amazing.
The steam's still coming off of it.
Oh.
I'm gonna dip this into
Yeah.
our ranch. Oh yeah, I gotta get a good chunk.
Oh, look at that.
Cheers. Here we go. Nice flavor.
Oh, that is good.
You taste that basil, the cheese, the sauce, and you can make it as thick as you like, the pizza, right? So we did it quite thick, but if you want it thinner, just use less spaghetti, right?
Oh yeah. It's delicious. That's incredible.
Look at the back of that. It's like a special pattern.
It is pretty looking. I mean,
pretty.
it is really pretty looking. It's spaghetti. It's a spaghetti crust pizza.
So pour some of this on here.
No, I'll have a little bit of that too.
Do you have some? Look at
James,
that.
that ranch is very good. Very good.
And you can make any kind of dressing you like at home. It's just up to your own flavors. You don't even have to do it this. You can do anything. And this is fine on its own, even without the dressing. But, you know, the ranch, it just takes to the next level.
I'm eating this whole thing. Oh my. That is so good. That is so good.
It's amazing.
James, thanks for coming over.
Oh, thanks for having me. And
Yeah.
this is great. Well, thanks everyone for watching. I hope you enjoyed watching us make this ranch dipping sauce for our homemade spaghetti pizza. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a like. Also, hit that big red subscribe button if you're not already subscribed. You get new videos all the time. And be sure to go over to the Sauce Stache and check out his channel. You'll find links in the description below, as well as one of those cards. And you're not going to regret it because Mark is a really cool guy. He makes some amazing dishes. I mean, not just this dish, this fun dish, but he makes like real food, like unlike me. But it's fun. You have to check him out. He's a really good guy, and he just makes some awesome food. So go over, check him out. Tell him James sent you. And as always, until next time, I'll see you then.